guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Megan and I'm going to be taking you guys through today in my life. I'm not going to the gym today, it's my off day, so I figured why not do a little vlog situation. But I'm actually meeting a friend for lunch. I haven't seen her in a while now, honestly, so I'm very excited to see her. I also have a Christmas present that I'm going to give her, so I got to get that packaged up, I got to get ready, and we got to get going. I'm actually going to do my hair today, so I am going to show you guys how I use my heated rollers. This is what they look like. They're from the Remington, I think it's called Remington brand. Basically, you just plug them in and they take about, I would say, like 2 to 3 minutes for this to heat up. So once it heats up, I'll show you guys the process of how I put them in my hair. You're just gonna take one. So I like to take the smaller one for my front strands, and essentially you just take a strand like this. You want to take it to the top of the hair, or like the bottom of the hair, and you just twist down like you would a typical roller. And then you take, it comes with a little clip, and you just clip it in and then let it stay in your hair until it is fully cooled down. And you just do that all around your head. When I get to some of my longer haired pieces, sometimes I just let them droop down, so I only do the bottom. And typically I'm not really looking for perfect curls or anything. I just kind of want to give my hair some shape, so you don't have to do anything perfectly and it still will turn out really nice. And I just love how quick this method is. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and then I'll do the big reveal. Okay, once they're not hot to the touch, that's when you take them out. And this is what I meant when I said I don't curl all of them to my head, but basically taking them out is so easy and fun. So you just go like that and it comes right out, and then you just put it right back into the container. So I'm gonna do that super fast, and then I like to brush it out because I want it to look more like a blowout than curls. Okay, so this is where you trust the process, because you're supposed to look a little bit like a poodle, a little bit crazy. I do a little hairspray and then I take my hairbrush and I brush everything backwards and outwards because I want the swoop to look like a blow dryer did it, and a blow dryer typically you're gonna blow outwards. Some days it looks better than others. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm in a bit of a rush. This is the final product. I think it doesn't look bad for, say, like 10 minutes. But I really like it, and now we are gonna go and get dressed. For my outfit, I'm doing a super cozy moment. We decided on comfy cozy because you've got to text your friends the vibes to make sure you know. And I'm gonna be wearing some new pieces. So I got this shirt from Cuts. I love Cuts, you guys. I'm working with them now. I did the one-off collab with them just to try their stuff in a previous video, which I'll pop on the screen somewhere. And I love their stuff. I wear it all the time. It's very just high quality basics. So this is their Almost Friday tee, but in a long sleeve that'll be launching. So cozy and cute. And then I'm gonna wear it with Oner Active straight leg joggers, my favorite. And then I also got a new coat actually from Cuts as well that I'll show you guys, that I'm literally so excited about. Here is the top. I love how slouchy it is. The hands have kind of like a wider sleeve situation. Very comfy, cozy. I'm not even gonna crop it or anything. I'm just gonna leave it nice and baggy. And then I have my Oner sweats. And then this is the new coat that I got from Cuts, which I'm so excited about. I just needed a long length normal puffer coat because it's getting cold here. Here is the coat. It's super cute. It has like these little buttons if you wanted to zip it fully, but I'm kind of just doing like a half zip. It fits perfect. I got a size medium and I feel like it fits really nice. And then it just has these cute little pockets in here. I think it also has interior pockets. I can show you guys it in better detail when I'm not rushing. And then I decided on my pink Ugg slippers. I wear slippers out the house, like they're made for that at the house, because might as well. I think they're super cute and they add a little color because all black was getting a little boring. I'm packaging up her gifts, so I'll just show you guys quickly what I got her because I'm excited about it. So she's been traveling. Her plan after she passes her nursing exam is to travel, so I got her a cute little globe. It looks like this, and then a little notebook, and it says you're on your own journey. This literally says you're on your way, and I said you're on your own journey. Am I okay? It's from the place Erin Condren, and that's where I got my planner, and I think it's super cute. But this is where you can talk about your trip, you can reflect on it, add notes and stuff. I just thought it was kind of cute. And I got her an avocado toast, little squishy, and an Oner sweat set. So I got her the zip up and the sweatpants because they're perfect for traveling. So it's kind of like a travel themed gift. So I'm gonna wrap it up and then get going. I have this is the bottom of a shaker cup from Women's Best, and I love it. I put my little vitamins in the top here, and then I have these little Terra nuts, which are so yummy, and it's really nutritious, and it's got like 4 grams protein in like 2 bites, and then a little strawberry banana naked because I am starving. Haven't eaten, I can't even open it, and I feel like I need to eat something before we go, just in case the place we eat is a little slow. So I'm gonna get moving. I'm on my journey home. It was so much fun. We went to a dumpling place, which was really yummy. We got a bunch of different kinds. I got a teriyaki chicken, a duck dumpling, which was really good because I love Peking duck, and then bulgogi dumplings. I love hanging out with her because we both are always down for Asian food. Then we went to a cupcake place that we used to always go to when we would hang out, and it was really good. Just caught up. It was really fun. Didn't vlog much, honestly, but it's just nice to like catch up with your friends, especially because she was in Arizona for a while. We won't talk for so long, and then we'll talk and just catch up on everything, and it's like this long debrief. We spent hours in the different places talking, so that was super nice. She loved her gift, which I'm very excited about, but I'm drained, guys. I'm exhausted today. It feels like I just didn't sleep well yesterday. I'm getting a Starbucks, actually. Waiting for it right now. There's like so many people out. I'm just shamelessly vlogging at this point. I just got home to a massive Oner Active package. I bet you this is like at least 10 pounds. I want to see if it says it. It doesn't say, but we're gonna open it. I know what it is. It's the new Effortless. Sorry if you guys hear my dog barking. She's upset. But it's the new Effortless that has the stitched in logo instead of the iron-on. I have been struggling to answer you guys' questions because if I don't have something, I'm not gonna tell you how it is because I just don't know. So I couldn't answer your questions prior to launch. This is what Oner's gonna be moving to. They're gonna be moving to the stitched in logo. Holy crap. And this is why I say a million times how thankful I am for you guys, because this much Oner Active a year ago would be a dream for me. Like I could only ever afford to get 2 to 3 items per launch, and that was a stretch. So this is amazing. I'm so thankful, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys, and that's why I put so much love and time into my reviews, and I try to get everything done before and answer all your questions because I know what it's like to be the consumer, and I have everything available to me. I need to help you guys because that's what I'm in this position to do. This vlog is going to go from like 6 minutes to 20 with the rate that this is going to take. But here are the high neck bralettes. So this is it in deep taupe. Obviously it's going to be the same kind of silhouette and everything, but the main difference is that this is now going to be inside of the fabric. So as you see, if I stretch the fabric, the logo stretches too. This was the previous deep taupe, so it just has this on it, which is obviously like a sticker. So when you stretch it, like the sticker stretches. And then this has a back logo, and the new ones don't have the back logo anymore. I like that they're constantly improving their products. Like you guys said you like this better, and so they went and they did it. I think that's one of my favorite things about them. I'll have to obviously try it on and see, but the integrity of this is gonna last longer. I noticed this with the birthday collection too. I don't know why, but it just felt stretchier to me, and I think it's because of some of the changes. Like this definitely feels more comfortable, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really wear these bralettes as much. I feel like I don't gravitate towards them because they feel very restrictive on me, and I don't need as high of support. Not the ring alert. But this feels stretchier in my opinion, so that's nice. Classic black, which I wear so often, and then coal, which I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up just doing a new Effortless review for you guys with these pieces. So let me know if that's something you guys would want, and then I can really get into the comparisons. But just wanted to unbox it with you all today. For the cycling shorts, here they are in the black shade. So again, now there's only going to be one logo, and it's going to be on the side here, and it's going to stretch with the fabric, and this is what the inside looks like. But there's no logo anymore on the top here, which that doesn't bother me. I don't know if that would bother people or not. And then here they are in rosewood, very stretchy taupe, which my deep taupe cycling shorts that I had just did not fit me right before. These look a lot better. Very stretchy. My midnight, very pretty. Coal, which I don't think I had yet in these, so I love that. Very excited about amethyst, my favorite color at the moment. Just so bright and pretty in the cycling. And then sage green, another one of my favorite colors. Now for the short shorts, I prefer the short shorts. Here we have rosewood again in the shorter shorts. Definitely the waistband is more stretchy than the old ones, which is kind of why a lot of people wanted to change, because the older waistbands were definitely pretty compressive. So I can just tell just looking at them that they're a little bit looser, which is always nice for us as we're getting the games. Sage again. The reason that she said that they didn't put the logo on the front is because if you were to put the logo on the front, somehow that would change the integrity of the scrunch on the back. And so obviously we are going to want a stronger scrunch. I've actually never had coal in the short length, so I'm going to probably wear these very soon. Midnight in the shorts. I'm like so happy right now. Like this is so many things. I had no idea this was coming today. And then black. Next up is leggings, which I actually don't have a lot of Oner leggings. I don't know how that's possible, but I mainly have shorts here. The amethyst again, so the only logo on leggings now are down here. There's gonna be no logo here at the top. And then we have deep taupe, which I can just tell this is like softer. I feel like the deep taupe I had, those are the first ever effortless leggings I ever bought in my life, and I love them so much, but I feel like they are just kind of tight, compressive, and the material and the new fit of these I feel like is going to be a lot more comfortable for me, because the first pair I bought was in a size small and I'm definitely a medium now, so these are going to fit a lot better. For some reason I didn't have sage leggings, which I don't know how that's possible. I'll be wearing these so soon. I'm so excited. They're so stretchy. Staple black. You can never have too many pairs. Black leggings, and then we have rosewood, which again I can just tell these are going to be less sheer than the first leggings that I had. I've never had midnight leggings, so I'm extremely excited about these ones. So stretchy. These feel like ultra stretchy. That's crazy. Cool, which I don't have in effortless either. I'll probably wear these tomorrow, honestly. Very nice. That was a lot. I'm so excited. I'm actually planning on sewing something. I'm gonna get the sewing machine out because I kind of want to get back into sewing. I used to sew a lot. I'm gonna show you guys quickly what I want to do. So I got this dress. I think I got it from a Plato's Closet kind of store, and they had a sale one day where you could fit as much as you could in a bag, so I got this for myself. I think it ended up with the value of everything being $3 or $4, and it's just a turtleneck dress, and it's cute, but I feel like it doesn't sit right on me. It's very big, so I kind of want to just take in the waist a little bit. Don't know yet how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. This is how the dress fits, and as you guys can see, it's just giving absolutely nothing. It's just straight, and it's not very flattering. It's not ugly, but I feel like it could use a little spruce. So what I was thinking is somehow taking in the sides a little bit so that it could have a little bit more of a shape. Like even if it was just like this, I feel like it would look a lot better, but I think it's gonna be a little more challenging than I'm thinking, but I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna go break up the sewing machine and I'll report back with the results. Looking at it on, I basically took in all of this, so I definitely think it has more shape, which I like. I like it a lot more though now. I feel like it's just a lot cuter, and then obviously now it kind of fits the body everywhere, and then it's a lot more flattering in the back. But I like this. I would actually wear this now. I feel like this would be really cute with some boots, and actually I think I can get with the length. I feel like it's more appropriate this way because I feel like if I hemmed it, it'd be too short in the back. I don't know. Does it even look different? It only took 20 minutes to bring this in, so either way, it's a win for me. You're comfy, little lady. One of my followers, her name is Nikki. We DM'd so much. We ended up DMing so much that we just became internet friends. And she lives in Hawaii, so she was like, I want to send you a care package with a bunch of Hawaiian snacks and goodies just for you to try, which is just so nice. I just never expected somebody to want to do that. She sent a package full of such good snacks and everything from Hawaii. And I was like, okay, what's your address? Because I want to send you something as well. I don't know what, but I want to send you something as well at some point. I remember in a conversation that she said that they don't have Trader Joe's there. So I was like, period. I'm gonna send her some stuff. Trader Joe's essentials, but I waited until the holidays because they have really fun holiday stuff. I literally went to Trader Joe's weeks ago. I set everything aside and then I totally freaking forgot to ship it. So that is my task tomorrow. I'm gonna get this all packaged up tonight so that I can ship it tomorrow. But I wanted to show you guys what I got her. I call this my Trader Joe starter pack, but this is only the stuff that I could send in the mail. These are my top 3 Trader Joe spices. So the first one I got is everything but the bagel, an essential, okay? You get a nice plain bagel, cream cheese, pop this on top. People also, I put this on broccoli. Like, it's very versatile, very yummy. Second one, everything but the elote. This is so freaking good. You can put it in probably a bunch of stuff, but I like to make elote street corn. So we will take normal corn, cut it off the cob, and then we'll make a little mayo mixture and then put this inside. Gives it all the flavor that it needs. Lastly, Green Goddess. So I would get her the Green Goddess dressing if I could ship it, but I can't. So this actually tells you what to add with these seasonings to make the dressing herself, so she can make the dressing with it, or she can just use it as a little topping. Top 3 seasonings, so I got her those. And then I got her apple raspberry fruit wrap, like a fruit roll up. Then I got her these. These are very interesting. They're sweet dried orange slices. I actually tried these. My friend Amanda is obsessed with these. When we went to Trader Joe's in Charlotte, she got these, and you can literally eat the peel, which I thought was very interesting, but I thought they were really good. This is a moment for someone to try something, you know, try something new. And then I got her these. They're dark chocolate covered minty mallows, so they're just marshmallows marshmallows, peppermint marshmallows. So a little late, I'm sorry, it's January now, but it's never too late for a little peppermint chocolate. These JoJo's, you'll see in a second, I love these JoJo's, but basically they're Oreos. These are peanut butter chocolate drizzle Oreos. They remind me of a tag along Reese's cup situation. They look really freaking good. Okay, these just seem fun, and since she's in Hawaii, they love pineapple there. This is chili spiced pineapple. So it's dried pineapple and then it has like a chili spice coating. I don't know what to expect with this. My mouth is watering looking at it though. So hopefully she likes it. And lastly, these are my obsession. We have 3 boxes of these at home because they go away after the season. They're candy cane JoJo's. So they're, again, literally just Oreos, but inside they have little flakes of peppermint in the filling, and I'm obsessed. It's so yummy. That's everything that I got. I'm calling it the Trader Joe's starter pack. I'm gonna put a little letter in there and then send it over. I know you guys got to see what she sent me, but obviously she's not gonna vlog what I sent her, so I wanted to show you guys and also to show you what I love from Trader Joe's if you guys want inspo. Mia enjoyed the show as well. I got hungry, so I just made some Biscoff protein oats. These were my obsession for a little while. Took a little break and I think I'm back on it. It's really yummy actually and really fills you up, and it's kind of nice as like a late time snack, but I used to eat it for breakfast too. But yeah, I'm about to start editing, and then I've been doing Crest 3D eye strips every single night. Shout out Amanda. She put me on. So I'm gonna do those and then just kind of do my night wind down routine. So I think I'm gonna close out the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. As always, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I have a lot of content planned, but if you guys ever have requests, just pop them down below and I'll be happy to add them to my long list. Bye. All this niggas fake, take it how you foolish. Got me looking